Hey guys, how you doing? My name is Robby, and has this ever happened to you? Does your spoon just not frickin' work? Then get your hammer and just smash that puppy into shape. Have you ever run out of toilet paper? Well, just get yourself some paper towels and rip that sucker in half. That's a lot harder than it looks. But you know what's also a great idea? Avocado deodorant. It's the best way to make all your friends worry about you. Are you falling asleep on the job? Let's go ahead and make the most out of that $5,000 laser printer at work, shall we? Don't be suspicious, don't be suspicious, don't be suspicious, don't be suspicious. Your boss will never know. Anyway, today, guys, we're gonna be trying some useful life hacks that you should try. They literally told me to try them, so that's what I'm gonna do. Let's do this. Is that darn safety plastic just in your way? Well, grab your can opener and just open it right up. I feel like this one's probably gonna work. I can see this one working. Oh my gosh, I got this awesome new knife, but I can't open it. I have no sharp objects to open it. How darn ironic. Oh my god. But do you know what I do have? If you guessed a tomato, you would be wrong because I have a can opener. Okay, so let's see. Can we open this bad boy? Boop, boop. Oh, here we go. Guys, I think it might be working. Yes. Oh my gosh. It's open right there. Kind of. We must keep going for the craft. Okay, now it should be open. You ready? Wow, it's not open. There we go. I just did it wrong. That was the correct way to do it. Well, guys, I guess we can say that this one freaking works. Now I have this awesome knife. Whoosh, whoosh. Yeah! Let's see what the next hack is.